To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button to proceed. Scroll all the way down, and you will see the option, Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it. Review the information, then tap Next. Choose a category that best describes your profile, to help others discover your account. You can update it anytime later. You can choose whether or not to display the category on your profile. Then tap Switch to Professional Account. From the confirmation window, tap OK. Select either Business or Creator based on your professional needs, then tap Next. Review the details provided, then tap OK to proceed. You can link your Instagram and Facebook accounts in the Account Center for easier login. If you prefer not to, tap Not Now. To complete setting up your professional account, you need to finish 7 steps. If you choose to complete the remaining steps later, simply tap the X in the top left corner. That's it. You have successfully switched to a professional account. Tap Professional Dashboard to access real-time insights, promotional tools, and grow your presence like a pro. Switching to a professional account unlocks powerful tools to help you analyze performance, promote your content, and expand your audience effectively. So that's how you can switch to professional account on Instagram.